The indicator I always trust. The secret to trading success. If there is only one indicator that has consistently made me profit, it's this one. I'm serious. If you learn how to use it correctly, you can make your trades significantly more accurate. Now, how does it work? How should we use it? Stick around until the end of the video because not only will I introduce this indicator to you, but I'll also show you exactly how to use it to get strong signals. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to the Infinity Trading Strategies channel, where you can find numerous educational strategies that can help you become a profitable trader. Whether you want to be a scalper, swing trader, or day trader, there are diverse strategies available for all of you across different time frames. So make sure to subscribe to the channel first so you can fully utilize these valuable strategies. Step 1. The right market and time frame. The first thing you need to know is that this strategy works in all markets. Forex? Okay. Crypto? Great. Stocks? Absolutely. Now, it depends on your own strategy which time frame you choose. If you're a scalper and like quick trades, 1 to 5 minute time frames are excellent. If you're a swing trader and hold trades for a few days or weeks, the 4-hour or daily time frame is better. And if you're thinking long term, weekly or monthly time frames are a better choice. So choose a market and time frame you feel comfortable with because this strategy works for all of them. Now, it's time to take a step forward. If your trades haven't been accurate until now, or you always get stuck in the wrong trends, this indicator will save you. Go to TradingView, Indicator section, search for Double Ribbon by Chart Prime, and add it to your chart. Now, how does it work? It's very simple. If the price is above the ribbon, it means the trend is upward, so you should look for buy opportunities. If the price is below the ribbon, it means the trend is downward, so just look for sell opportunities. It's very easy. Immediately you can see whether the market is bullish or bearish. But just knowing the market direction isn't enough. We also need to know the exact entry time. So for this, we need to use another indicator. This indicator is my secret indicator, Black Flag FDS. This is where the magic happens. Now that you know what the market trend is, you need to know when to enter a trade. The Black Flag FDS indicator or Swing Arm ATR does exactly this. Search for Black Flag FDS or Swing Arm ATR and add it to your chart. Now, let's look at its settings that will make your trades much more accurate. Go to Style tab and only enable FB2 and Last Plot background. Go to Input tab and set the ATR period to 5. Set the ATR factor to 5 as well. Disable the FB entries option. Now that you have set it up correctly, it's time to check the signals. Buy-sell rules. Well, how should we trade now? Sell signal. First, the trend must be downward, meaning the price is below the double ribbon. Then, the price should turn back and touch the red FDS line. Now a red candle needs to close below that line. Congratulations, this is a sell signal. Now you can confidently enter a sell trade. Set your stop loss a little above the last swing high. For your take profit, just consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now wait for the trade to close at a profit. Buy signal. The trend should be upward. The price is above the double ribbon. The price should touch the green FDS line. A green candle should close above that line. And this is also a great buy signal. Now enter the trade. Set your stop loss a little below the last swing low, and for the take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now let's review another example together. Like here, where there is a downtrend, we can open a sell trade. Or here, where the trend is upward, and we can open a buy trade. Golden tip: when should you not trade? Many traders fall into the trap of ranging markets and lose there. So what should we do to avoid getting stuck? 2 important rules to avoid mistakes. If the price is above the ribbon but below the red FDS line, don't trade. If the price is below the ribbon but above the green FDS line, don't trade. This means that market is resting or changing trends, so hold off until the market determines its direction. Well, that's my perfect strategy. An amazing combination of the double ribbon for trend detection and the black flag FDS for precise entry. If you try this strategy, you will see how much it can change your trading. Now it's your turn. What indicator do you use the most? Comment below. And if the video was helpful to you, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe, because a lot more awesome strategies are on the way. Stay tuned for the next videos. We're going to take your trading to the next level.